I could eat this by itself. That's how good it is.
What's for dinner?
Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z and welcome back to another exciting episode of Chef Z Cooks, where today we are making a delicious Italian pasta salad with a homemade Italian dressing. Now hear me out. This is a pasta salad that you can make year round, but something about it just tastes especially good during this time of year when we're all grilling outside. Now this is a pasta salad that actually tastes better the longer it sits, so make sure to make it at least the day before. Now, quick note on that Italian dressing. It is so good. I'm talking so good that you can use it on things like your regular leaf salad or other pasta salads that just need a little bit more oomph. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
This Italian pasta salad is honestly a crowd favorite, and when you see just how easy it is to make, you're gonna make it all the time. Now, first things first, you wanna boil your pasta and you wanna generously salt it because believe it or not, this is going to add the flavor. In fact, this is where the flavor starts. We're now going to take some red onion and we're going to very thinly slice them. We're gonna take some grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes and we're just gonna slice them in half. Now, fun fact, I'm not a major fan of tomatoes, so I don't add that much, but you can add as much as you like. We're also going to add some black olives and some pepperoncinis, which is honestly one of my favorite things in life to snack on. We're gonna take an English cucumber, although you can use a regular one. I do like to core and take out the center just because it is where all of the juices are, so it won't make the salad gummy later on. We're gonna take some hard salami and we're going to slice it. Now, I like some big chunky pieces, but you can definitely get the salami that already comes pre-sliced. We're gonna take some parsley and we're just gonna mince it, give it a nice rough chop. We're now going to take our pasta, which should have cooled down, but if it's a little bit warm, that's actually even better, and I prefer it that way because all of these flavors are gonna melt together even beautifully. We're gonna add to that the hard salami, some pepperoni, those cucumbers, the tomatoes, the olives, the pepperoncinis. Feel free to add a little bit of that juice as well, some mozzarella, and listen, go ahead, the more the merrier. Now, the beauty with this Italian pasta salad is that you can honestly control the ratios. I like to make it really hearty, and one of my favorite things to add is actually some shredded Parmesan cheese because it really sticks to the sauce, and dare I say, it makes the dressing even creamy. And speaking of the dressing, you can use your favorite Italian store-bought dressing or you can make it at home. It's actually really easy and super flavorful. In order to make the dressing, we're gonna combine some red wine vinegar, some Dijon mustard, some honey, salt and pepper. I like to add some fresh lemon. We're going to add some seasoning like oregano, some dried parsley, and then we're going to add a grated garlic. Now, one little garlic clove is all you need, which is crazy because you guys know I absolutely love garlic. We're going to drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil, and then to that we're also going to add a minced shallot. We're going to mix it until it's well combined, and as you can see, it makes the best dressing ever. Now, very carefully, we're gonna mix it until it's well combined. Now, like I mentioned before, you are the master of this dish, so you can control the ratios of everything, so you can make it as saucy as you like. And like I mentioned before, adding that Parmesan cheese really makes it nice and creamy. Now, like always, if you have any questions on this recipe, visit my website, chefzcooks.com, and I'll see you next week.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's recipe. Now listen, this is a pasta salad that is going to make you popular because people are going to request it time and time again. Now, if you need some more inspiration on what to make this summer and throughout the year, go ahead and click right here, and I'm about to dig in and eat. Oh my God, that's actually really good.